And brothers, good afternoon. In the gospel, there are two groups of people. The one is Jesus with his disciples, and the other is the group of the Pharisees. Both groups believe they follow God. Both groups believe that they are faithful to God. But there is a difference. The Pharisees believe that they follow God by following His law. And sometimes in following the law of God, they forget the other concern, which is the love of neighbor. The situation is very clear. Nagutom ang mga alagad. Pumitas sila, hindi man lang nga sila nagluto, basta pumitas lang sila ng mga trigo, ng mga butil at kanilang kinain sa gutom. At ang nakita ng mga Pariseo ay hindi yung gutom ng mga alagad, kundi yung paglabag nila sa utos na dapat igalang ang Sabat. Bawal magtrabaho sa araw ng Sabat. Pero yung ginawa nila, pumitas sila, ginawa nilang pagkain, ang kanilang pinitas, at ito'y kanilang kinain, that is considered work. And they violated the Sabbath law. They think they follow God by being strictly following the law. But the Lord has a different mindset. For Him, as He has said in the Gospel, quoting the prophet Hosea, I desire mercy, not sacrifice. What does it mean? Sacrifice refers to the temple offering, temple sacrifice. For some people, like the Pharisees, if you fulfill the sacrifice in the temple, you are fulfilling God's will. You are good as far as God is concerned. So yung relasyon nila sa Diyos, okay. Pero nakalimutan nila na hindi lamang pala sapat yung magandang relasyon sa Diyos. Dapat meron ding magandang relasyon sa kapwa. That is the danger that sometimes we face. We are only concerned with our own relationship with God, forgetting that we have also to build up our relationship with other people. And that is by showing mercy. Sabi ng Panginoon, alam nyo, kayong mga Pariseo, no? Pinahahalagahan nyo lang ang pagtupad sa mga batas ng Diyos. Pero huwag niyong kalilimutan, bahagi din ng batas ng Diyos ang pagmamahal sa kapwa. Mga ginigiliwang kapatid, baka naman simba lang tayo ng simba. Komunyon tayo ng komunyon. Nobena tayo ng nobena. Pero nakakalimutan nating buksan ang ating mga mata at ating mga tenga sa pangangailangan ng ating kapwa. May mga ganun tao. Sa loob ng simbahan, ang banal. Pero paglabas ng simbahan, walang pakialam sa kanyang kapwa. The challenge of today's gospel is this. Both are important. But between sacrifice and mercy, mercy should come first. That is what was shown in the first reading. So, binigyan na ng taning si Hezekiah. Sabi niya, ihanda mo na ang sarili mo. Hindi ka nagagaling. mamamatay ka na. Pero nagdasal siya sa Diyos, nakiusap sa Diyos, at kinaawaan siya ng Diyos. I think God will be paying attention more to our prayer if our prayer is accompanied by mercy. Ang panalangin may kasamang awa ay didinggin ng Diyos. Amen.